Just after 4 weeks.
जी सर।
हाँ बताइए मैडम।
जी, मुझे एक्सटर्न किया गया था बुरहानपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से।
जी।
मैं एक सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता
जी।
हूँ और मुझे इसलिए एक्सटर्न किया गया था क्योंकि जो वन कटाई हो रहा था बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर वहां पर,
जी।
उसके खिलाफ हमने आवाज उठाई
जी।
और हमने प्रशासन से मांगा कि ये कटाई रोका जाए।
जी।
और जब ये कटाई लगातार चलता गया, खुलेआम क्लियर फेलिंग चलती गई और हम ये महसूस हुआ कि प्रशासन की भी इसमें मौन सहमति है,
जी।
तो हमने ये इस मामले को उठाया था हायर ऑफिशियल्स के साथ, स्टेट लेवल ऑफिशियल्स के साथ।
अभी क्या चाहती है आपका?
हम ये चाह रहे,
खत्म हो गया
सर, but there is a stigma which has been attached to my name. I was actually involved in trying to stop the वन कटाई।
Okay.
और उसी वन कटाई में हमें लिप्त बता रहे हैं। एंड रिगार्डिंग द केसेस सर, दे आर सेइंग देयर आर 21 फॉरेस्ट ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट मी।
Yes.
वो 21 फॉरेस्ट ऑफेंसेस से हमने डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट से जानकारी मांगी
जी।
और दे हैव गिवन, आई हैव नॉट फाइल्ड इट बट आई कैन शो इट टू यू अक्रॉस द बोर्ड फाइल्ड।
आपको बता।
हाँ जी, उसमें वो है कि 16 केसेस आर नॉट देयर, दे आर नॉट इन एग्जिस्टेंस। And 4 cases, sir, are, I am not a party, I am not an accused in that.
Please file that report. Then
I will file that, sir.
कब तक फाइल कर देंगे?
I can file it if today or whenever I can get some counsel to help. And regarding criminal cases, sir.
So we'll hear you once you file those documents. Then
So then can
when will you like to come?
Sir, as early as possible, maybe next week, because this is a daily burden upon me, sir.
आप documents next week तक फाइल कर दीजिए, उसके next week आपको सुन लेते हैं, ठीक?
Next week itself will not be possible. I can file today or on Monday. Or...
I don't know when you will be able to file. देखिएगा, petitioner in person, she submits that she was involved in stopping illegal felling of trees in the forest area. Full stop. District administration being enraged with this voluntary effort on the part of the petitioner has levied false cases against her. Full stop. It is submitted that she is having list of documents to demonstrate that out of several cases listed in the impugned order passed by the district magistrate, 16 cases were not against her, and in 4 cases she.
No, sir. 16 cases are not before the court at all. In 4 cases, I am not an accused.
16 cases are not before the court at all, and in 4 cases she is not the accused.
And regarding criminal cases, sir, 2 मामले जो हमने जब ये आवाज उठाई उसके बाद फाइल हुए हैं। 2 मामले में अभी 2 साल होने वाले हैं, चार्जशीट भी नहीं फाइल हुआ है।
2 matters, 2 criminal cases, despite lapse of about 2 years, no charge sheet has been filed against the petitioner.
And regarding CRPC 107/16, the request,
I'm aware of it.
the request was made after Jila Padar ka notice was given to me, then that case was filed.
And she further submits that cases under section 107/1110, 110.
116, sir.
1110/116 have been filed after the notice for Jila Badar was issued against the petitioner.
Ji, sir. And regarding cases that they have cited from Badwani district,
we are not hearing it today.
Okay, sir.
You should know where to stop.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Let these documents be brought on record, for which she prays for and is granted 7 days time. List this case on 5 March 2025.
Thank you, sir.
None list after 6 weeks. Issue notice on payment of PF 7 days, 6 weeks.